Good morning. This is Frank speaking from yourtradingplan.com. We have Friday morning, Friday 14th of July, and we're looking today at some ideas. But first of all, I must apologize to you because the last two videos, I guess, they were without tone. So something happened during the upload or wherever, so that you could not hear anything. So I apologize for this, and I will ensure that this will not happen anymore. And yeah, for the listeners who are the first time with us, welcome to you. And what can you expect from yourtradingplan.com? Actually, yourtradingplan.com is a community that is absolutely free of charge. I provide you here access to some strategies, to the trading journal, which is a very important part of yourtradingplan.com because we're doing business here, and business needs to be planned, and to have a successful business as well, the plan needs to be followed through, and this is what makes it to be professional, right? So and this is actually what you can expect from us here. So we provide you with all tools you need to be professional, either if it's a strategy, a trading plan, a trading journal, a procedure, how to do your tasks. We have everything available. All tools are there. The execution is up on you, is up on every trader. And for doing this successfully, yeah, this is in everybody's own responsibility, right? So I'm happy I have you on board, and I'm happy to share all this information with you. And the only thing you need to do to really stay updated is to register on our webpage, yourtradingplan.com. It's totally for free. You just subscribe with your email address, your name, and then it's ensured that you get every new update in the trading journal. You get communicated by email, and also you get notified if a new video is uploaded, like this one this morning. And yeah, that's already everything actually. So let's look into the trading journal, what we have today on plan. So our trading journal is web-based for the people who didn't know that yet. So we have here a WordPress platform available, and having here some special setup in WordPress that enables us to do a trading journal. We have 5 categories here: planned, executed, completed, skipped, and missed opportunity. And we are usually going through all the categories, especially the planned, executed, and completed ones. And for today, we are looking at our new plans. We have several plans available, so in total we are currently 7 plans. It's the Aussie dollar, Canadian dollar. We would like to see here a break of the range, and if the range is broken, we enter here short. We might set here as well a retest on the range here, and our target is to get to the support level down here. And we put always our stop, or at least myself, I'm doing this, so I'm doing like that, is to move the stop loss to break even as soon as I earned one risk profit, with confirmed by a closure of the 4-hour candle. Okay, so one of my major rules is to protect my capital, and I would like to get out of risk as soon as possible. Trading is risky, there's always a risk associated with. Business in general has always a certain kind of risk in it, and therefore we also have to do some risk management here. And my risk management is pretty conservative. It means 1 hour earned by each foreclosure, I take it to break even. If I get stopped out, I don't lose anything, even then if the trade later on is going in my direction. But as we are humans, we are living in the now, and we never can predict the future. I mean, we can make anticipations, but we never for sure can say the market is doing this and that. And therefore, for me, it's important, when I live in the now, I have one risk earned, I go out of the risk, and then I will see what happens. Okay, so this is the first trade setup what we have for today. It's actually a new one. It's created this morning. And let's immediately go to the second one. The second one is the Swiss franc, Japanese yen. It looks pretty much similar. whereas we were here in a stable uptrend, we are here now on the first move down. We broke the exponential moving average, and we are now ranging here in this huge range candle. So we had here a kind of indecision with buying pressure, and we don't know really what happens right now. It can be now we are going back in the and continue with the uptrend. Then we have to change our mindset, but it also can be that we see here now a first move of a reversal on the Swiss franc and Japanese yen. So the idea is here to wait for the breakage. You can go here, we can go here in already with a sell stop, or we wait for the retest and then enter to see a short here. If of course the market turns again back to the long side, this setup will be skipped and we will look for a long setup. But as for now, as the moving average was broken, we will see what happens, right? So the second setup for today. In total we had 4 new setups today. So next one is the Great Britain pound against the Canadian dollar. Here actually 2 opportunities we are having. So we have one is the range breakout we can wait for, or the second is the trend line breakage, the counter trend line breakage. The counter trend line breakage, I have to admit, I have to say, is currently has only 1 point, and it's rather like a feeling that there could be a breakage. This is why I rather speculate for the range breakout. Have a risk win reward risk reward ratio of 3:1. I go again break even at 1 hour profit confirmed by an H4 closure, and I enter the trade when the range is breaking, and then I will see what happens. So Great Britain, Canadian dollar, Great Britain pound against Canadian dollar, I see at the moment still short. We are also in a clear downtrend here. You see very nice lower highs, lower lows, and so therefore the direction here is pretty clear. So next new setup is the US dollar Canadian, US dollar Swiss franc, and this is a kind of a range opportunity what we are seeing here, right? I was already I had this trade already yesterday on my radar, but here I was speculating still to get down from the moving average here, but then we still traded back into the resistance area, and now it might be that we see here as well a breakage down. So we had here a nice bullish candle, and we are now ranging. Can be as well that we see here a reversal up to the that the US dollar gets stronger, and we get back into this range, and then we have to as well change our mindset. But as for now, the market still looks rather short. We see a little bit of up pressure already, but you never know what happens. So if we break out here and we make a retest, it might be again that we are testing again the support here at around 0.95. We will see what happens. Setup will be like this: sell stop, stop loss above the range, and then take profit. One is around the area we had before at 195.96 or 196, and the next one is then at 190.95.5. So take profit 2. Okay, so these were actually the 4 setups we had new today, and then we had still the ones from yesterday. So this is the Australian dollar against the New Zealand dollar, and this trade is still not executed. We wait for the breakage, and nothing new here, but to be monitored. Then we had the US dollar, Euro US dollar is the same here. Nothing really happened in the night. We have to wait here what happens if we go out short, or if we go up again above the uptrend line, so to have a long trade available. And last but not least, the euro against the Japanese yen we have on radar still, and this is actually the same here. Nothing happened too much. We still are in the range here. We have to wait for the breakage here, or we as well might see here a kind of a down move when we are breaking the uptrend line. But so far we're waiting for the breakout. Nothing happened so far here, so we stay tuned on these setups, and we will see what happens with them. Okay, so then we have actually 3 executed trades right now: US dollar, Japanese yen, we have the euro Swiss franc executed, and the gold short. So The trades were not moving too much. We had a little bit of progress in the gold short. We were here going further short, but the move is really slow, so that we have to be careful if this is not a kind of a trap what we are running here into with the short. So we have to be really tight with the stop, and I'm thinking already about if we don't see really a movement to take this trade just off the table, because I don't really know in which direction the market will shoot. And yeah, but we will monitor this closely and have an update in here at the 7 p.m. review this evening. Actually, this is it already all for this morning. Again, I apologize to all of you for not having a tone on the videos from yesterday. I took them also off the YouTube channel because it makes not really sense if you just see a mouse moving over the screen without having any tone on it. And yeah, I wish you a wonderful day, and we will still hear each other in the evening. For the ones which do not have time anymore in the evening to listen to the 7 p.m. review, I wish you a wonderful weekend, and I hope you had a successful trading week, and we will speak then to each other again next week. And for the ones which are joining this evening, looking forward to speaking to you this evening. Have a great day and good trades. Bye. This was Frank, yourtradingplan.com.